Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding where gnats breed and cutting off their food. Look at potted soil, drains, and fruit bowls. Once found, set traps. Pour one apple cider vinegar and a drop of dish soap in shallow cups and place them where gnats swarm. You should also remove ripe fruit and pour off excess water from plant saucers to dry soil to about 1/2 inch. This reduces larvae survival and immediately lowers adult numbers. Next, you tackle the hidden stages, larvae in soil and drains. First, top dress potting mix with 1/4 inch of sand or perlite to prevent adults from laying eggs. Then apply biological agents, BTI granules or beneficial nematodes, to kill larvae without harming plants. Follow product directions for rates. For drains, flush with very hot water, then pour 1/2 cup baking soda followed by vinegar, wait, and rinse. This clears eggs and reduces reinfestation. You finish by maintaining barriers and monitoring results to prevent return. Replace traps every 3 to 5 days and adjust plant watering so the top 1/2 inch of soil dries between waterings. That denies larvae moisture. Make sure to keep sinks and compost sealed. If gnats persist, inspect for root rot, remove affected soil, and repeat BTI treatments or add yellow sticky cards for adults. This catches stragglers and shows whether your intervention is working.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.